Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Let's Study with Richa. Today we are going to start, as you can see, the topic is communication. Communication is the main topic it is used in many of the subject like in B.Ed also and in computer also, in IT also, and it is a chapter of class 9th also. So we are going to start this chapter. Communication. Communication means meaningful exchange of information. Means when the information is shared between two persons, it is not like that one person said the information and the other is not responding. No, they have to give the response. Then we will say the communication. So you speak, I listen. I speak, you listen. But there is no feedback. So in elements of communication, we cover source in elements of communication or the communication. Communication will happen when any receiver will give the feedback. So main elements of communication are source, encoding, channel, decoding, receiver and feedback. Now let's understand these particular topics. Source. Source means any person who is giving the information, who started the communication process, right? Then encoding. Encoding means to convert, to use the language in which it is readable, it is understandable by the receiver. Means if you are very much good in French or any other language, but the other person to whom you want to convey your message is not understanding your message, then your language knowledge is useless. So always use the language which is understandable by the receiver. Okay. So encoding means to use the language in which the message could be understood. So then after is channel. Channel means communication channel. What it could be? Verbal, non-verbal, like visual. In verbal you can say formal or non-formal, like you talk with your friend. And in formal, like you give presentation to give your ideas to your boss or to any of the person, and then they give you feedback and make these changes in the particular presentation or particular item. So channel could be any, verbal, non-verbal. Okay. Then after is decoding means receiver is understanding in its language. Okay. And then receiver is giving the feedback that I need these changes in it, or you can add these points. What could be? So these are the elements of communication: source, encoding, channel, decoding, receiver and feedback. If feedback is not given by the receiver and receiver is only and only listening, it means there is no communication. There is a one-way process is not said to be a communication. Okay, here we can say as there will be message. The all side will be message. Message is reflecting here. So these are the source, encoding, in between is the message. Clear? So this was the communication. Now we will continue its question answers and further topics of communication in our next video. So keep watching my channel. Thank you so much.